little better. Gotta be a smallie. Hit it right below the bow. It's fighting too nice to be a walleye. Could be a largie too, I guess. Or something. I don't know. He's digging hard. He's like not even letting me move. Holy crap. What do we got? I don't know what we got, but this is awesome. Oh jeez. We might have to chase him. Holy shit. I don't know. Is it a carp? Did I side hook a carp? I don't think there's catfish. There's not a catfish in here. He's going deep. Oh. I hope I don't lose it. I want to see it. Oh, there he's going. It's gotta be a carp or something. Got a bend in that rod. Oh, he's going for another run. Don't go wrong. God, it's wearing me out. It's gotta be a carp. That's a carp to eat my lucky lure? Oh, we stopped the camera and restarted it. He went for another run. Had to do that because I'm on loop mode, and it's definitely gonna be more than 5 minutes to get this fish in. Oh, he's giving me some leeway here. Oh, I was at the leader. What do we have? Oh, he's going deep. He's out, going out. Oh, I was at the leader. Oh, no more. Oh, what do we have? Oh my God, it's huge. I have no idea what it is yet. All I see is something ginormous. It's either a giant walleye or just a big carp. I can't believe a carp ate this. I kind of wish I was using a little heavier tackle so I could tighten the drag and just let him tow me around. I think we got a carp. There's no way. If this is a walleye, this thing is huge. It's got to be a carp. This is still fun though. I remember like the thing that got me addicted to kayak fishing was on my first little kayak. Oh, he's going back the other way. My first little Emotion stealth kayak, not the pro that I had when I started making videos, but the other one. I caught a big carp, and it was like this. On ultralight rod. I did catch him on a worm though, because we were trying for catfish. He is right under me. Whoa! What is this? Oh, big carp. Big. This is a PB carp. This thing is huge, guys. Oh, this thing is a tank. Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on. Whoa! Oh, he's right here. Whoa, big waves. Oh, come back. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. Yeah, he ate this thing, guys. We got a problem. My net's a little small. I definitely need to get a bigger net. Not for a carp, but this is pretty sick. Oh, yeah, like that. Okay, we've got. Whoop. Dude, he choked this Rapala. You know, too bad it wasn't something cooler. But this is pretty cool. PB carp in my new kayak. Problem is, I don't want to cut this line and help me get it out because he is so big. I think it'll fall down in his stomach. It's bigger than what I've caught. It's bigger than any I've shot. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go, buddy. Thanks for the fun fight. New PB carp. You're off. There he goes. Into the depths. Whoo! That was tiring. But that was awesome. That was cool. Yes. I know it's just carp. I don't care. That was fun. I got a little scared for a minute. There was a wakeboard boat coming straight at me. The guy that's wakeboarding is the one that started yelling at the driver to tell him to pay attention. Thankfully he's seen me, but dumbass driver didn't see nothing. PSA, Joe's Lucky Lure catches everything. Everything. Big to small, to stuff that's not even supposed to eat this. Wow. I guess something else for you wondering, this rod is the Lew's Crush combo. It has just got windy, of course. It's a medium light, fast taper, 10-pound braid with an 8-pound leader. Brought that fishing. My leader's toast. I'm having to redo my leader. But that just shows you what this stuff will actually handle. You know, that was a 14, 15-pound fish. He had me in the rocks for a little bit. That's why my leader got the most messed up, I believe. Can't think of any other real reason it would have done that. And, you know, just fight it. You know, you got the right rods, loosen that drag. You know, it would have been fun to just haul them in or get towed around the kayak, but it was funner to catch it.